Hi, I'm Lauren, and my teammates are Josh, Fiduci, and Devin. We are the Carbdashians, and we're working on Sustainabite. Based on user interviews and feedback, our team decided to make a slight pivot. We found that users would rather have an application that focused on social aspects of making food reviews rather than an application that had sustainable filters. Currently, applications such as Yelp could create sustainable filters in a single update. Therefore, we decided to create an application that allows individuals to follow their friends, create post and check-ins, and see how they compare to people in their area based on their interaction with the application. We wanted to keep some sustainable features in the application by promoting sustainable user tags that users can describe their food with, and by adding some filters that other applications do not currently offer.
During the sprint, we wanted to answer several questions with the learning prototype. First, are users most drawn to a solution featuring social features or finding personalized dining options using advanced filters? Also, what are the best ways we can present restaurants and deals to users in order to attract new customers to participating restaurants? During this sprint, we began creating our prototype. This prototype will allow users to search for local restaurants using advanced filtering options and user-created ratings for restaurants. Users can discover food through a social media approach. They can follow friends to see where they check in and follow restaurants to find deals and events. We will use this information to recommend restaurants through friends and similar interests. We hope to support local restaurants through this gamified approach and social validation. We can create participation leaderboards through check-ins, reviews, and posts. The following UI walkthrough demonstrates a use case of a user finding a restaurant through the Discover page and viewing other reviews before deciding where to eat.
In our clickable prototype, we've tried to cover the home, discover, leaderboard, and profile section. The home screen has users, accounts, restaurants, as well as deals or promotions that may be of interest to a user. The discover section is a list of check-ins and posts and reviews left by users that they're following currently that surface on their feed section. They can search restaurants as well as hashtags that will then show up in their area. Restaurants that may be of interest to them, they can go and see reviews that have been left by other users. For their own profile section, users can leave posts or update posts as well as mark their check-ins and then save these items for those that they wish to visit again in the future. And they can set their own preferences. These include budgets, food, drinks, dietary preferences, as well as restaurant attributes.
From user feedback on the clickable prototype, we learned that the current app looks to be completely catered towards the social user and relies on user interaction to keep interest. The UI is very similar to Instagram and DoorDash, so we should differentiate but keep the ease of use and functionality. Users want an easier way to view their friends' posts, so we can maintain the idea of valuing recommendations from friends instead of strangers. And the leaderboard turned out to be a less important feature, so we should put it somewhere else in the app. Our team will focus on updating the UI with a unique design that's different from Instagram and DoorDash, integrate a feed page that's separate from the Discover page, as well as develop functionality for creating a post so we can get user feedback for a post sharing flow, as well as update the location of the leaderboard to lessen the importance of make room for the feed page. Thank you.